Hello everyone. Welcome to my English Speak Better YouTube channel. Today we'll focus on English for digital nomads, tech and remote work phrases. Speak confident English for digital nomads. 200 plus tech and remote work phrases. Watch my videos and improve your English quickly and effectively. Essential remote work vocabulary. Let's jump on a call. Can you share your screen? You're on mute. I'll drop the link in the chat. Let's sync up later. I'll follow up with you. Please keep me in the loop. I'll circle back to this. Let's take this offline. Do you have bandwidth for this? That's outside my scope. I'll send you a quick update. Let's align on this. This task is high priority. I'm working from home today. Let's set a deadline. I'll join the meeting in a minute. I'm having connection issues. The audio is breaking up. Let me send you a quick message. Please check the shared folder. I've uploaded the file. Let's review the document together. We need more clarification. Can we reschedule the meeting? Tech tools and software English. I'll install the software. Let me update the app. The system needs a reboot. I'll check the dashboard. Can you send me the login details? I'm testing the new feature. The tool is not loading properly. I'll refresh the page. The software crashed. I'm downloading the latest version. Can you grant me access? The file is syncing. I'll share the project link. The server is down. I'm checking the error message. The app is running slowly. I need to reset my password. I'll upload the file to the cloud. Can you check the settings? The update fixed the issue. I'll add it to the workspace. The integration isn't working. I'll create a new folder for this. Let me check the analytics. The system is back online. Online meeting English. I'll set up the meeting. Can you send the invite? I'm joining the call. Let's start the meeting. Can everyone hear me? You're on mute. Can you share your screen? Let's review the agenda. I'll present the slides. Please turn on your camera. Can you unmute yourself? Let's take a short break. I'll record the session. The connection is unstable. Can you repeat that? Let's summarize the key points. I'll follow up after the meeting. Please add comments in the chat. We need to schedule another call. Can everyone see the document? I'll send the meeting notes. Let's collaborate on this file. Please confirm your availability. I'll send the calendar invite. We're running over time. Email and chat English for remote work. I'll follow up on this. Please find the attached file. Can you confirm receipt? Let me know your thoughts. I'll get back to you shortly. Thank you for your prompt response. Can we schedule a call? Please see my comments below. I'm looping in the team. I'll update you once it's done. Can you clarify this point? Looking forward to your reply. Please let me know if you have questions. I'll check and get back to you. Thanks for the update. I'll draft the email and share. Please prioritize this task. I'm sharing the document here. Can you review and approve? Let's discuss this further in our next call. I'll send a reminder tomorrow. Thanks for your support. Please acknowledge receipt. I'll escalate this issue. Let me know your availability. English for Coworking Spaces. I grabbed a desk here. This seat is available. Do you mind if I join you? Where is the meeting room? I booked a conference room. There's a printer I can use. Do you have Wi-Fi here? The Wi-Fi password is on the board. I'll use this outlet. There's a quiet area for calls. I'll get a coffee around here. The scanner is available. This space is available for a meeting. I'm bringing a guest today. The lounge area is over there. Lockers are offered for storage. I can extend my membership. There's a community event today. I'll get some help with the printer. Office supplies are available to borrow. This area is suitable for phone calls. I'll book a desk for tomorrow. Pets are allowed here. There are meeting room discounts. I can leave my things here overnight. Travel and work English. I'll work from the hotel today. Do you know a good cafe with Wi-Fi? I need a quiet place to join the call. Let's schedule the meeting around my time zone. I'll check in at the coworking space. Can you send me the project files? I'm working while traveling. Is there a reliable internet connection here? I'll attend the virtual conference from my room. Do you know the best spots for remote work? I'll join the video call shortly. I need to charge my laptop. Let's sync up despite the time difference. I'll update the team after I arrive. Do you have recommendations for work-friendly hotels? I'll submit the report before leaving. Can we adjust the meeting time? I'm checking emails while on the move. I'll book a desk at the coworking space. Do you have local SIM cards for internet access? I'll join the team call from the airport lounge. The travel schedule won't affect my work. I need to find a quiet workspace. I'll review the documents on the train. Let's coordinate our tasks while traveling. Time zone and scheduling English. Let's schedule a meeting across time zones. What time works best for you? I'll adjust to your time zone. Can we move the call to later? The meeting is at 3 p.m. my time. Please confirm your availability. I'll set a reminder for the meeting. Is this time convenient for you? Let's find a time that works for everyone. I'll check the calendar and get back to you. Can we reschedule the meeting? The deadline is in 2 days. I'll block the time on my calendar. Let's avoid overlapping with other meetings. I'll send an invite with the correct time zone. Please let me know if this works. I'll join the call a few minutes early. Can we start the meeting 5 minutes later? I'll follow up after our scheduled time. The conference is at 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Let's coordinate our schedules. I'll make sure the team is available. Can you accommodate a morning call? I'll send a calendar invite for everyone. Please adjust your schedule if needed. Client Communication English. I'll follow up with the client. Can we schedule a call with the client? Please review the proposal before sending. I'll send the project update today. Do you have any feedback from the client? Let's discuss the client's requirements. I'll draft the email for the client. Can we clarify the client's expectations? I'll respond to the client shortly. Please confirm receipt of the documents. I'll prepare the presentation for the client. Can we set a meeting to review the deliverables? I'll keep the client updated on progress. Please share the client's contact details. I'll address the client's concerns immediately. Can we adjust the timeline based on client input? I'll summarize the meeting for the client. Please let me know if the client approves. I'll coordinate with the client's team. Can we provide additional information to the client? I'll escalate the issue to the client if needed. Please draft a thank you email to the client. I'll schedule a follow-up call with the client. Can we confirm the client's requirements once more? I'll share the final report with the client. English for tech support and troubleshooting. I'll check the system for errors. Can you restart your device? Please describe the issue in detail. I'll guide you through the setup process. Is the software up to date? I'll run a diagnostic test. Can you provide a screenshot of the error? I'll escalate this issue to the technical team. Please clear your cache and try again. I'll check the server status. Can you confirm if the problem persists? I'll reset your account password. Please check your network connection. I'll update the software to the latest version. Can you try logging in again? I'll investigate the error message. Please make sure all cables are connected. I'll send step-by-step instructions via email. Can you test the application on another device? I'll monitor the system for any issues. Please verify your account details. I'll schedule a remote support session. Can you reproduce the problem? I'll provide a workaround until the fix is ready. Please let me know if the issue is resolved. Work-life balance for nomads. I'll set boundaries between work and personal time. I make sure to take regular breaks. I prioritize tasks to avoid burnout. I schedule downtime to explore the city. I turn off notifications after work hours. I balance work meetings with leisure activities. I dedicate mornings to focused work sessions. I plan my travel around my work schedule. I practice mindfulness to reduce stress. I make time for hobbies while traveling. Productivity and project management English. I'll prioritize tasks for the week. Let's set clear goals for the project. I'm tracking progress on the task list. Please update the project status. I'll assign responsibilities to the team. Let's review deadlines and milestones. I'll create a workflow for this project. Please provide feedback on the deliverables. I'm managing multiple tasks simultaneously. Let's hold a quick stand-up meeting. Money, invoices, and payment English. I'll send the invoice by the end of the day. Please confirm receipt of the payment. The payment is scheduled for next week. Can you provide the billing details? I'll follow up on the outstanding invoice. Please check if the payment has cleared. I'll issue a receipt once the payment is received. Can we adjust the payment terms? I'll review the invoice for accuracy. Please let me know if there are any discrepancies. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos to keep improving your English, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. If you found this video on tech and remote work phrases helpful, let me know in the comments with a yes or no. I'd also love your feedback on how I can make future videos even better. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it with others.